Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Right on the surface, dude. Right on the surface. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah.
Oh my God.
Right on the surface, dude. Oh yeah, dude. Definitely gold, man.
You think?
Oh my God, definitely gold. For sure gold. Oh my God.
Okay.
It says 95 on it, I just saw it.
For what?
It says 95 on it.
925?
Yeah, on the bracelet
Does it?
part. Yeah, on the bracelet part. Looks like gold, but it's just probably made in Italy. A lot of those Italy ones are just silver with gold.
585.
585? Oh, it's 585.
Yeah.
So it's not 95. It's 585. It's gold, dude.
Yep.
Freaking epic, dude.
585.
585. Freaking, oh my God. Oh my Lord, dude. What's the name on it? What does it say on it? On the part